everyone, I so appreciate you stopping in today. I have this little oversized box here from Ulta. There's one item in here. Let me take this out of the box. I don't remember what I paid for this. I don't think it's going to be on my receipt. To be honest, I don't remember. I will list it in my description box for sure. Get rid of the box. Take it out of plastic. Of course, the dogs jump down because they want to smell everything. Let's take this out of paper. I have 24 days of self-care advent calendar from Ulta. Nicely packaged. Comes in this little plastic, outer thing here. Is it taped? Yes, it is taped. I was trying to look at my phone because I always save screenshots of everything. It just makes it easier. I can give you the price right away. I didn't save a screenshot, so it's in my account. It's in my phone somewhere. Obviously, I couldn't find it, so I figured let's give this a try. I don't know how many advent calendars I will have time to do this year, but I figured let me try this one. I thought it was pretty cool. So a self-care calendar, and you open it up, and this is what it looks like. It opens up like a book, like that. And here's everything. And the back does tell you, it gives you brief what's in here. We're just going to go ahead and open all the slots and see what is in the calendar. Like I said, it wasn't a lot of money, I don't think. I don't know where I would have saved. I don't know where I would have saved it to if I saved it. It's not where I think it is. Is it? Oh, I did save it. Found it. This was $60, I think. Not bad. 24 days. Yeah, $60 from Ulta. So I'm going to try. Oh, gosh. Put my phone in the back. They do mail you, send with you, a little receipt, which I don't, there's really not anything on it, but I guess you can return it. I don't know. So now both dogs are down on the floor, which is going to be a little bit of a hassle. I have Patches up here, and I just shared her in my other video. She's getting a drink right now. So I don't know how. I think I want to leave, so, we all know what an advent calendar looks like. They look like this. Everything is numbered. 1 through 24. I'm just going to leave it down in front of me. It's just going to be a lot easier. I just have to keep an eye on what Patches is doing because she cannot go up and down the steps. So I just want to keep my eye on her to see what's going on with her. So let me see if I can just come into these and see. Oh, this is nice. I have my little blade here to see if it can help me get some of these products out. I don't know where she just went. So I have the first product in door number 1 is from Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen. These are going to be samples. I don't know if there's any full sizes in here, but I'm happy to, let me see if I can put these behind me in order without knocking them over. So that was number 1. Number 2 is the big door. Let me see. They don't want to open so easily. So let me see if I can cut them. I don't know. I think I need to make the tabs go the other way. Alright, this is not going to be fun here. Oh, okay. So here we have Peace Out Acne Patches, the 10 Acne Healing Dots. These are always nice to have. I'm not unhappy with them. Come here, baby. You okay, sweetheart? Come here. Come here, honey. Come here. Come here. Let me see if I can settle her, and I'll be right back. She was getting a little antsy there. So I'm just going to continue and open these. So I can just give you a little sneak peek here of what I'm doing. So I'm just opening them in the order that they come, like this. It's just easier for me to put it. I wish I could put it off to the side, but it just doesn't seem to work when I do that. So these seem like they're easy to come out. A brand I'm not crazy about for shampoo, conditioner and stuff, but I'll give this a try. A dry shampoo from Living Proof. Great little sample to have. Like I said, I'm trying to keep them in order so that I will take a picture and show you the products in order. just to see. So you guys can see what's in here. Okay, another great product. I don't think you can go wrong with this one so far. From Ulta Beauty, a green apple face peel exfoliating mask. Nice. Let's see the size of this. So this could definitely be a couple uses, maybe. Yeah, like maybe 2 uses for your face. Ulta Beauty is very good. I'm not usually a fan of a peel-off mask, but I'll give it a try. Right there. So that's day number 4. If you're the type that likes to open these, you know, one day at a time, that's awesome. I would never be able to do that. And for the channel purposes, I could never do that. I mean, I could, but it's, you know, obviously not going to happen. So from Tula, which is a very good brand, I have quite a few products. I might have this from them. The probiotic and superfood face cleanser. Nice. I wonder if I should just put them back in. No, I'll just leave them out because I want to get rid of this calendar. So that was day 5. It's always fun to find the numbers because you could be looking right at them and you can't even see. You know, you can't even see them. Oh, nice. Brand that I love. Why can't this? I can't get this out. All right. It's like off. It's not centered or something. How am I supposed to get you out? Oh, gotta be careful. Okay. I am a huge fan of Philosophy, and this is Hope in a Jar multitasking moisturizer. So this is going to be a tiny sample. I love the purity and their exfoliator. This is a little tiny one. Great travel, but you know, I knew these were going to be small, so that's not a big deal. So that's day 6. Day 7 is, I need to try to be careful here. I don't want this to be too long. Ooh, awesome. From Olaplex, the number 3 hair perfector, repairs and strengthens all hair types. Oh, I'm super excited for that. I want the shampoo and the conditioner from them, but I won't buy it for myself. Like if it comes in a box, yeah, awesome. But I just don't pull the plug and buy it. I don't know why, but I won't. Horrible. Oh, Too Faced lip injection, a little mini. I have the big ones. These are pretty awesome. So that's number 8, right? Day 9. Where are you? Over here. I'm using my knife to help me open these and get this stuff out. I think this is this Derma E? Let me see. I think I have tried this. Dermalogica, and this is, should be the powder. Like a cleanser exfoliator. I think this is powder. If I'm not mistaken, it sounds like it. I have one. Very nice. That was day 9. Day 10 is from Perricone MD. This is cold plasma, a neck cream. Very nice, very expensive. So that's day 10. Day 11. Oh, something is in my eye. It's been in my eye for 2 days. There's got to be an eyelash in there or a tiny little... I have dogs that have white hair, or a little hair got in my eye, and I've like tried to flush it with eye drops and find it. I cannot get it. It's just very irritating my eye. So it's driving me crazy. So from CosRx, the retinol, super vitamin E, and panthenol. Huh. Probably a serum, a retinol serum. Nice. How am I going to do this? Right there. So that is 11. 12 is not far away, thank goodness. Okay, another great brand that I love, Briogeo. I love their hair care products. Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Phenomenal. So that's 12. 13. Where are you? Right over here. These are so fun. Like even if you just get one, even like they have ones that are candy, just, you know, if you can afford it, pick one up for yourself. They are really a lot of fun to open. And if you do it every day, that's probably, you know, I think it's fun to open them all at once. But if you did it every day, that would be something to look forward to. In day 13 from Murad is the Retinol Resculpt Overnight Treatment. A little sample to give a try. Excited for that. Number 14. Let's see what you are. Is this like Kopari? Yeah, Kopari Moisture Whip Cream. Let's see. This should have a seal on it. Yeah, it has a seal on it. I'm going to leave it sealed just because I have a lot of creams open, but that's a great throw in my little overnight bag if I go to my sister's, things like that. Or, you know, travel. Easy just to, you know, take with you, that kind of stuff, which I love. I go through my samples drawers and take, well, I could use this, this, and this, and then use up your samples. From Tan Luxe, this is Illuminating Self-Tanning Drops, and it says the face. These do work. You know, I don't know if I don't generally like to put that stuff on my face, but I might give that a try. That was day 15. Let's see what's going on in day 16. This is, this calendar is so easy to get things out. Sometimes they are so difficult. I remember one calendar, I think it was last year, that I literally had to go in from the back, because you can open it from the back and then just take the plastic insert out. I could not get the products out of there. And this is from Belief, and this is the Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask right here. These are nice. This is a good brand. We usually get these kinds of samples. This has like a clean smell. And this is very tiny. You can see when you get these, like the false bottom. So it's a little tiny sample, but I knew, like I said, I knew these were samples, and I was not unhappy with it. Let's see. From, oh, okay. I don't think I've ever tried any of their stuff. From Patchology, these are the eye, you know, the eye gels, the eye patches, the eye patches. Okay, so that's number 17. 18 is from Origins Plant Scription Multi-Powered Youth Serum. Ooh, that's really tiny. So that's number 18. 19 is, okay, expensive brand here too. This is Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream. It's a moisturizer. Love this. I have the big ones. I have the full sizes of them, but I like the samples too. So day 20, where are you at? Right here, a little tiny. Let's see what you are. Yeah. So here from, who are you? NA114. Oh, Strivectin. Okay. A tightening neck cream. Oh, awesome. We all need neck creams. I wish I would have started when I was younger. It is sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed. Get product down your neck. Highly recommend you doing that. At any age, just start it and continue it. Right now, I'm a little lax and doing a lot of stuff, but I just have too much going on. But that, I definitely think that's something that, you know, I wish I would have started way earlier. What are you? 21 says Vacation by Vacation. What are you? Oh, a little perfume. Let's see what you look like. A little tiny spray bottle. Yeah. Look at that. Little tiny spray bottle. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, I like, oh, I caught it. So that's nice. I don't mind getting a few of them. I did do a declutter of them. Okay, what day was that? 21? Not 22, right? Oh, I don't know. Is that 21? 22? Are we up to 22? Oh. 20, yeah, that was 21. So 22 is from, how do you even say that? Exuviance? Exuviance? I don't even know. For sensitive dry skin, overnight transformation complex. Is this like a serum? Yeah, like a little serum. Right there, that's not bad. Never heard of them. So that was 22. 23, where are you? Let's see, it's 23. Dry Bar Liquid Glass Smoothing Sealant for your hair. Okay, maybe help with some of the frizz and the flyaways. That would be nice. So that's 23. So we're up to the last one. This is a 24-day calendar. Whoa, okay. I'm not unhappy with this. Get it out. This is from Sunday Riley. Good Jeans. Highly recommend their products. They're wonderful. Not bad. Might be a little overpriced, but that is the calendar. So it looks like this when you get it, and then you open it up. And you could rest it, and each day open a day. It's a self-care calendar. I wanted to give it a try. Bring it to you. Let me be the guinea pig and purchase it. But this is the Ulta 24 Days of Self-Care Advent Calendar for 2023. Like I said, maybe a tad pricey since they're all samples, but all wonderful brands and high-end brands too, not Ulta brands, which there's nothing wrong with the Ulta products, but I like that these are all high-end brands. Dry Bar, Sunday Riley, Peter Thomas Roth, Origins, their Strivectin is expensive. Just a lot of the brands behind me and the products are, you know, expensive. So let me know. It says a $250 value. Yeah, I beg to differ on there with it being samples, but $60 was the price. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you on tomorrow's video. Bye for now.